When using Remitly to send money abroad, one of the most important decisions is how the recipient will receive the funds. Two popular options are bank deposit and cash pickup, and each has its own advantages depending on the recipient's situation. Bank deposit sends money directly into the recipient's bank account. This method is convenient if your recipient has a bank account they use regularly, as the funds are deposited automatically without needing to visit a location. Bank deposits are generally smooth and secure, and they avoid the need for physical travel. However, transfers to bank accounts can sometimes take longer, especially in countries where local banking systems require additional verification. It's also important that the recipient's bank account details are correct, as any mistakes could delay the transfer. On the other hand, cash pickup allows the recipient to collect money in person at a partnered agent location, such as a money transfer store, bank branch, or retail outlet. This option is ideal for recipients who don't have a bank account or who need cash immediately. Often, cash can be available within minutes when you choose the faster transfer option. The trade-off is that the recipient must travel to the pickup location, which could involve time, transportation costs, or limitations depending on their location. Some cash pickup transfers may also involve slightly higher fees or require stricter ID verification compared to bank deposits. So, how do you decide which method is best? Consider the recipient's convenience and access. If they have a bank account and timing is not urgent, bank deposit is usually the smoother choice. If they need cash quickly or do not have access to a bank, cash pickup is the better option. Speed is another factor. Cash pickup can often deliver money instantly, while bank deposit may take longer. Cost should also be considered, as fees and exchange rates may vary between the two methods. Finally, recipient preference matters. Some people prefer cash in hand, while others prefer money in their account for safety and flexibility. In conclusion, neither method is universally better. It depends entirely on the recipient's context, urgency, and accessibility. Bank deposit is great for convenience and security when a bank account is available, while cash pickup is ideal for speed and accessibility without a bank account. Always check the fees, delivery estimates, and recipient details before sending. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more remittance tips and app reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.